Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off vibrate for incoming call in realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up, then here you will see many app icon. Click on the setting icon first. After that, here you will see this type of icon. Now you have to scroll down first and you have to click on the sound and vibration option. Then here you will again see many option. Click on the vibrate for incoming calls option. Here you will see which is already off in your mobile phone. If you want to on this, so click on that. So it means that when incoming call is come in your mobile phone, vibration is produced. After that, if you want to off this, now click on that side. And so it means that when incoming call is come in your mobile phone, vibration is not produced now. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.